This video covers the initial creation of a pipe using AVEVA E3D 2.1. Add equipment D1201 and heat exchanger E1302A owned by Zone Equipment Area 01 to the 3D view. Navigate to the correct zone in the Model Explorer, in this case Zone Piping Area 01. Click the Create Pipe button to display the Pipe Editor Create Pipe form. Enter the pipe name AT-B-7. Select the primary system for the pipe to be Process System B. Select the required pipe specification of A3B. Select a bore of 80 mm. Enter a temperature value of 50 degrees C. Click the Apply button to create the pipe and member branch in the Model Explorer. Perform a save work.